how do you handle the weight or the pressure of being the first Filipino act to perform sa Philippine Stadium, almost sold out? Ilang, sabi ng Viva sa amin, ilan na lang daw yung natitirang seats.
Oh my God. Ano ba? Um, well, ang pinakaunang na-anticipate ko kasi talaga namin, um, outdoor pa rin, pero somewhere na mas maliit. Hindi po namin in-expect na mag-GG yung Philippine Sports Stadium. And ayun po, nakaka-proud siya kasi it's really a dream come true for us. And um, we feel like it's not only an event that is meant to magnify our music, but OPM as a whole. Kaya tinawag namin siyang music festival kasi we plan on making it an event that celebrates not only our music but the whole OPM. So we're gonna bring out artists na nag-inspire din sa amin and yung kasama naming flag bearers ng OPM ngayon sa mundo. Kaya yun, abangan niyo po.